So now we're going to get into the real estate portion of the day. And specifically, we're going to talk about this crazy Las Vegas housing market, man. I know, Kenneth, man, we need to try to get you out here in a property, man, but the market's crazy right now.
Man, we're working on it, right? Definitely looking in properties in Vegas. We love Vegas ultimately, but we're also our job. We're one helping veterans 24/7. So anywhere we can be where the veterans are, that's where we want to be. But also we want to make sure that we're helping the housing issue for homeless veterans. So providing transitional housing has been one of our pillars and missions that we have enacted this year. So we're really taking that on head first and making sure that, again, our veterans are being taken care of.
Absolutely, man. Absolutely. And yeah, definitely. I mean, that's a project that I know is near and dear to your heart, man. And we definitely want to do what we can to enact that in Las Vegas and in Southern California and throughout the country, man, to really build a pipeline to help homeless veterans. Because with these service connected disability benefits and many of them actually being able for that, they really shouldn't be homeless to begin with, but that's a whole nother video that we gonna get into at another day, man. We got to get these folks off the street.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.